elegance in bloom. Queen Mu Yanling sight in a hyper-real garden. Day turns to night with digital dreams. Her world we view in a diorama scene, so vivid and true. Her dress weaves tales of ancient lore with the touch of nature we adore, embodying grace and empress charm in the garden's peace, away from harm. Advanced techniques capture her light in a photo so real it feels just right. With tilt-shift magic, the scene does glow, a miniature world in the twilight show. Elegance in bloom. Queen Mu Yanling sight in a hyper-real garden. Day turns to night with digital dreams. Her world we view in a diorama scene, so vivid and true. To thrive in this world, we must adapt. With lungs and gills, our breath is tapped. Luminescent vision, glowing bright. In dark waters, we find our light. Cyber limbs for strength and speed. Nanotext in our new breed. Enhanced senses will navigate in this paradise. We create our fate. Elegance in bloom. Queen Mu Yanling sight in a hyper-real garden. Day turns to night with digital dreams. Her world we view in a diorama scene, so vivid and true. In the garden's embrace, we find our way. With Queen Mu Yanling, we'll always stay in a world where beauty and nature unite.